Hello and welcome to Inbot. This is Mikko Alasaarola, the founder and CEO. You're looking at Inbot.io website. The main page is currently the token sale, but we also have sections for partners and ambassadors. But you see on the top of the row a button wallet. This is how you can create yourself an ambassador account on our system. Let's go try it out. So now you are taken into a login page. And on this login page, you can create an account as an ambassador. You can create an account as a vendor. And you can also log in if you have an existing account. Let's create an ambassador account. You get to this page where there's a little bit of explanation what you can do as an ambassador. As well as information for your sign up. It has to be long enough and secure enough for your safety. And now we tap continue. What happens next is that you will get an activation code to your email. Now I go to Ville's email, I see email confirmation, and we say an activation code. I copy it, I paste it here, and now you have here an ambassador agreement, terms of service, and confirmation that you have read those terms and you are over 16 years old. Please remember to read the terms carefully. Then I click agree and I'm getting into this welcome screen where you can manage your security features of the wallet. Please note that this is a wallet account, so it's very important that you make it secure. We highly recommend you to set up a two-factor authentication, which we do with Google Authenticator or similar applications. When you click this button, you see this two-dimensional barcode, which you can then scan with your phone, or you can copy the letter sequence under it, and then you can confirm it with the code. I'm not going to do it now, but please do it with your favorite two-factor authentication app before entering the wallet. Next, we go into the wallet interface where you see multiple different colored cards. You also see a business section where you can see different companies that you can help. On this wallet section, you see the amount of in tokens you have, the amount of in shares you have, and your current in score. The very first card here is GDPR information. We are notifying you on your privacy rights according to European Union laws. We explain which providers we work with. And then by clicking on agree, that card goes away. So now you have a welcome card where we explain the basic concepts of in-share, in-token and in-score. But we also enable you to connect accounts. When you connect your accounts, you get paid with a small amount of tokens. You get 100 tokens from connecting your email, 100 tokens for connecting your LinkedIn, and another 100 tokens joining our Telegram group. Let's go and see this view. And here you see you can connect your Google Exchange or IMAP account and then upload your LinkedIn connections. In the wallet, you can do your KYC. We explain our pre-sale rewards. By starting the KYC, you can participate in our token sale. You can transfer either Ether or Euros. And then if you go into the Telegram group, when I click the join group, it directs you into our Telegram. And here you can see the in-token Telegram group in action. Once you've joined, you can go back here, add your username, save it. You see, you just gained 100 in tokens. You will also see on the transaction list your gains from your actions. Everything you do pays you tokens. You helping companies, you get more tokens. So please join us today and give us a spin. Thank you.